John Erskine of Columbia University said, the best books are yet to be written, the best paintings have not yet been painted, the best governments are yet to be formed, the best is yet to be done by you. I've got this book that I've written called Speaking to Excel. It'll be in the back, and the only reason why I wrote it was because back in 1993 when I started the business, people used to come up to me at the conferences and ask, how do you feel when you get up and you make a presentation and so forth? Should you be nervous? And so I started telling people, it's like, heck yeah, I'm nervous when I get up. I'm nervous when they're doing the introductions. Like, James, what are you doing here, man? Go get a job at the Forest Service or NRCS. Why are you running your own business and getting up there speaking? Get behind the desk somewhere. So those are the first thoughts that come up. It's like, get out of the room quick. But here it is, if you know your message, and here's where you all come in. You all are the experts in what you do. And so when you're able to tell people what you do and why it's important, there are no nerves. You're telling what you know. And so when you get up, you tell people what you know. That's the easy part. The hard part is actually getting to the stage. But if you know your craft, don't worry about it. All you're doing is imparting some information, and that's all people want. Because you hear people when they get up on the stage and say, hey, I'm really not a great speaker, but I'm going to give you some information anyway. No, you can sit down. If you're telling me right now you're not a great speaker, sit down. All they want is your information. So it's like, thank you, here's what I'm going to impart on you today. Great, let's do it. That's exactly what I need to learn. All right, so everybody put your hands up in the air. Now all I want you to do is to look at them, put them together and just look at your hands and notice your lifelines. Some of you have long lifelines. I know some of you didn't put lotion on today. Don't even worry about all that. Here's what I want you to think about. Your destiny and the destiny of a lot of people is in your hands. Y'all give each other a hand. So I'll be in the back. I'll sell the books for like $10.